Skipper's ready. Competitors set, go. And away we go. Fagan on one. Ford on two. Fagan and Ford. They're two names we've heard around the shearing circuit for the last 30 years. These guys have made numerous finals. Round into the long blow. David Fagan 11 seconds. 12. Darren Ford chasing hard. Fagan might be a blow ahead. Down over the front shoulder returns. Ford as well. 18, 19 seconds. Right out onto the back leg. David Fagan 22, 23. This is going to be a faster time. 24.
Nice. Oh, look at that. Looking good. What a bro. Keep going. Keep up the good work. All right. Whoa. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Keep going. Whoa. Watch out, man. Looking good. Looking good. Keep up the good work. Almost halfway there. Nice. Looking good. Oh, go, 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 go.
Go. .7 seconds. All back.
Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14!